Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to import or export contacts on your Poco phone. To do it, first go to the Contacts app, then go to Organize, and now scroll down and you'll see either Import from File or Export to File. I'm gonna export it first. Then here will be the name. You can change it as well, but you shouldn't change the extension, so it should be .vcf. Then you can also change the folder. I'm gonna leave it in downloads. Let's click on save. And now we should be able to find these contacts in the files. So let's go to the Files app. I have it here. Not here are the files. I can open them. And then when I go into downloads, I'll see my contacts right here. Now to import them, click on Import from File. Then you can choose where to save your imported contacts to. So either to your Google Contacts, to your device. You can add another account, or if you have a SIM card inside it, you can also save them to SIM card. I'm gonna save them to device. Then select the file. I have it in the downloads folder, so I don't need to go anywhere. And now it says they will be imported shortly. And you should be able to see these contacts here. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.